Morning guys, well we're at our live event where we're going to get people to have a go. Hopefully we get lots of people today, or hopefully not all at once. We're being sponsored today by Online Magnets. They've supplied us with a few magnets for people to try. So anyway guys, hopefully we have a good day and see who we get.
I'm going to catch an anything.
Right, go on in, away you go.
Go, off you go.
Just throw it as far as you can, really. let it sink a minute.
Let it sink, okay. Sticky.
And as you just pull it in slowly and you'll feel it grip onto stuff.
Oh, it had something and then came off, I think.
Oh, that's alright, we have to try it again. You've got to just roughly work out where it is.
Yeah, it definitely had something at the start.
There's plenty in there, I assure you.
What have we got?
Have you got a bat?
I got a bottle top.
So a bottle top.
Alright, have
Have
another
what?
go.
Okay.
Alright, just
Right, go on in, away you go. Do you want to go at the same time?
I'm alright.
I let it sink.
I'm
Let it
just
sink.
gonna watch.
Yeah, so something at this point. But I don't think it's, yeah, but then it comes off.
So come on.
Yeah.
So they own the plot for 10 years.
Is it equivalent of real fishing? When you like,
Well, I did actually catch a real fish the other week.
What's this?
A load of weed, I think.
Yes, weed, yeah.
Right.
Weed goes back in.
I was tempted to go back.
Put that weed back in.
Oh, I've got something.
should we roll?
A belt buckle as well.
Now what we do, we'll upgrade you, shall we?
Okay.
So it gives, if you swap magnets. Oh yeah, so that's the easy option.
Right, we're gonna roll.
Oh, I'm gonna have one go on the big magnet.
You're gonna have one go on the big magnet and then we're gonna roll. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, we're upgrading him to the beast now.
The beast.
That's what it's called.
There you go. Maybe you should move a little bit. Like,
You can try wherever you want, anywhere along.
maybe. You enjoying this?
I mean, that one's huge, that magnet. I mean, it's definitely on something here.
It's still like one company that person goes to, right? And then just like a
There you go. That's our card,
Thank you very
and that's
much.
who's sponsoring us today. All right.
Oh, okay, thank you very much.
If you do decide to take up magnet fishing
Okay,
and you decide to buy anything from this company on their website,
yeah,
if you put in London 10
yeah.
right on the promo, you'll get 10% off.
Thank you very much.
So there's a lot of bubbles coming up.
Well- Well, obviously there's nothing there. Is it quite hard to pull?
No, it's not. It's coming. I don't want to lose whatever it is I think I've got.
My nose is running. I've got a headache. This one does stick quite a lot more.
Yeah, I think I've lost it, dude.
A bit of like concentration.
No, actually the bubbles are coming closer. Maybe I've got something.
You got it?
No, we'll see. We'll see.
You can have it if you want. We're doing magnet fishing. We're doing a couple of try baits today. You can have it. I've got a glass of that if you're interested.
No.
It's got a peg.
A peg.
Right.
It must have been very muddy where you was.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll give it one more go. Go on.
Okay. One more
Right.
quickly. One more quicker.
Home time.
Right.
Come on,
You just have to jog to catch up and make up for the time.
There's something there, but I'm not quite catching it.
Well, another time.
Another
Oh
time.
well,
Yeah.
another day.
Yeah.
Well, thank
Oh,
you.
there you go.
It was nice to meet you.
Yeah. Oh, there is some. I don't know. There's
What you
another.
got on there?
I don't know what that is.
Right.
Well, you're lucky it wasn't a bullet.
We had to do.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Right, no worries. Cut your gloves with one of them buckets over there.
Yeah.
But if you want to pull it out, because I've just dropped it in there, then you can give it a go.
So what do I do?
Just put it in for now. See if you find anything.
I found something.
Have you? Oh. Already?
Yep. I see. Sometimes it grips and then comes off.
Yeah, so you just have to put it back and go. Right, his first finds a bolt. You're a natural, yeah. An old spring. Nothing much this time.
I'll do one more.
On it.
And this time I'll get the what do you call
Safe
it?
with a load of gold in, it'd be nice.
No, I'll get the Lord Lucan. It's fun. It raises. It's like
It's one of them.
lucky dip.
It's one of them things, isn't it?
It's like lucky dip.
at the end of the day, right? You chuck it in and you never ever know.
What you're gonna get
Not
out.
being funny. Look at all that stuff there. All of that stuff has come out of
That
there.
time didn't come out.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
How did it get there? That's more interesting than getting it out.
Yeah. Oh, hang on, what's he got here?
How did that
Looks like he got a magnetic stick. Got a big stick that got mixed up with all the crap.
Thanks a lot. I gotta run on.
John just pulled out. It's easier to show you. Live ammunition. Better phone them up. Got a couple of extras today. one of our subscribers. Hi. And we've got the scrap man. He's having a go and all.
Got tied up here, look.
He's got all knotted up, have you?
Here we go.
Just don't let it slide off your hand. Right, basically, we give you this one. This is not too heavy. This will live 300 kilograms. All right. Well, we'll find out. So basically, all you've got to do is stand here, and then just basically throw it like that.
Right.
Right. And see how you do.
And the aim is to pick up
Anything what you can find.
Wow.
Okay? Now you need to be a bit further forward than that. And not only that, you won't be in the film otherwise. Right.
And the point of this is just...
It's just so you don't lose it. You shouldn't do anyway. That's 20 metres up, right?
And then just pull it in. See what I've got?
It's a big magnet.
Hang on, I'm putting that. Is that right?
Hang on. Sorry.
Don't think I've got anything.
Obviously.
Got some mud.
Just some mud. No, just a bit of mud.
Wow.
Right, go on in. One more go. I'll have a few more goes if you want. What? You got more? Hey? Alright, okay. Use the 200, John.
Doesn't feel very heavy.
Oh, nice and slowly. Yeah? Yeah, you got no. Go on then, have another go. I'll leave you for a minute, have a quick go.
Thanks. This is so random.
Let's give it a full toss on an action shot. Do you move forward a little bit?
Trying to get it smaller. Scared of my bike. Right.
You two. Any good catches? Nothing yet. We're hoping for a cod though.
Oh, I felt it was on something then.
Okay.
But it's not that. Oh!
Is it coming? Go on. Balloon. Yeah? Tension?
Yeah.
Okay, pull hard.
I don't want to release it and not get it though.
Yeah, well that's it with fishing, you gotta give it a bit of a yank. Gentle pressure. Tease it off.
How weird.
Okay.
It's pulling but it's...
Oh,
I
you got hooked on something that's on.
weird.
Sludge.
Weird.
Okay, well, 3 goes, so let's give it a try.
It's further left than that.
Further left.
Yeah. See more where that blue's in.
You have to be quite gentle when you're pulling it out.
Yeah, I think you do, yeah. I
okay,
find.
right, let's try again. Below that.
You've got that? What's you found?
That's so short, that's a bit gutter.
Yeah. So, is that a piece of guttering?
So it's more like...
Yeah, for sure. I mean,
Definitely hooked on something to enough to be able to put her whole body weight into the rope and it not do anything.
That must have been quite a good haul for that 300 to do that.
You can feel it, like, I mean, look, the bubbles coming up. It means it'll turn something over.
Really?
Yeah, well, it's just dragging up the underside. Oh, this one, you can feel like...
There's a bit of a difference between it.
Well, it's just really, yeah, a lot of tension in there. Right,
When you come to the end, move forward and pulling up. Doing something, just stir it up.
Oh no!
It fell off, did it?
Go back in.
Got it.
Really?
No! There is something. I think it's caught against the wall.
There ain't no metal there, it's up there, the metal. And if it was metal, you'd never pull it.
That's really weird. There's something.
He lives in Cornwall. He lives in Cornwall. He managed about
I wouldn't
15
go far
teams.
through.
And he just like that tension there. I feel that now. What's happening? And then it just keeps on dropping off. You see what I mean? I wonder if it's dragging against the wall.
You got Amazon. Buy. No! What?
We'll leave that in there.
Yeah, okay.
He's got a bike belt. There you go. You can even
No way!
circle.
Oh my god!
You've got a tie and a
It's
bike
an
belt.
Amsterdam bike bell.
Wow!
That's amazing, thank you.
Now let's have it.
Do you want to yeah.
There you go. You found an Amsterdam bike belt.
From Amsterdam. No, that's the brand. Or does it actually come from Amsterdam?
Yeah,
They're made in
Amsterdam is the bells, yeah. They
So
got
what? You take it home and look at it.
Yeah, that's so cute.
vinegar, yeah, get all that.
Yeah, white
I
vinegar.
mean, look, it comes off.
Yeah.
Oh my
Just
god.
give it a clean white vinegar.
That's
So
amazing.
you've
You
just
drop your
got
glove down there, darling.
this out of the canal, the Regent's Canal. Wow. That's amazing.
Hey. And there was a car tyre as well. We
And a
won't
car
take the
tyre, yeah.
will we? Thank
If we
you.
left the car, should we not take it out because it's trash?
Well,
Get it out of there?
the trouble is if we put it out, then we've got to put it in.
Yeah, exactly.
And the problem is that guy can't take cars.
Yeah. So you end up.
Because we've got one there.
Got you.
So we put it, unless it gets caught and we have to get it out, then we will. But
Yeah, got that. Oh, amazing. Thank you so
Wow.
much.
there
Cheers,
you
guys.
go.
Oh, did not expect to be doing this.
No.
But yeah, you take one of our cars and sat there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I've seen some by the thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Cool. Yeah, and then probably in the next couple of weeks,
Yeah.
yeah, if you subscribe, you'll see yourself.
Oh, amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Keep up the good work.
Take it home now.
No joy. She got something.
Yeah.
Really hard, like to lean back on.
Yeah.
So she was hooked on something.
There you go.
Yeah, that was fun to try.
That's your turn, isn't it?
I'm going to pass actually.
Well, we can give you a big
Mud.
match.
What? You caught someone.
Oh, yeah.
I was worried about it.
Nah, you won't. There you go. Pull it back slowly and see if you
If that's the case, why didn't you say we might be able to get
yeah. You need to have a waterways license. They belong to a club, I think, so I think the club's got it.
Oh wow! Jesus Christ! When you said I thought they were like just cartridges. Right.
To leave them wet.
They'll have to wait for forensics.
Yeah, go on.
My business and something, but it needs to
To the point where it could be, it's like the boy who cried wolf.
Yeah.
I'll give you a card later, and then in a couple of weeks' time, you can see yourself on YouTube.
No. We're just literally.
Right, piece of shelving. Bit of shelving bracket. Don't hit them. Did you have something a bit slick then, did you?
Yeah, just right at the end.
You got something on there? Got. Spread it bar and tin lid at the moment.
Right, I'll do one more. When it's like caught against something, is that?
That's when you got that, haven't you? Yeah.
Pulling something up out of the
Yeah,
plug.
let's do it sort of slow and steady.
Right.
Right, mate. Normally you see the bubbles coming up if you pull it in now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that magnet will pull about 300 kilos.
Oh no. Whatever it was.
It's come off.
Yeah. Fun little interlude.
Well, there you go.
Can I, thank you. Can
Yeah.
I take a card?
Yeah, there's one. That's it, did you come before?
Oh, I don't know.
Right, the old scrap guys come to take a load of stuff away. He had a bit of a fish as well. This is what we took. Pretty much.
Too big, but
Not too big this time, but it gets rid of the rubbish, clear it up for now. He does, if anyone else is looking for a scrap guy, he's willing to pick up for him. His number will be on all of our videos if you have a look. His number's on there. His name's Liam. Great guy. I think I'll just get in to tell you what sort of areas he covers. What sort of areas do you cover,
I'll
Liam?
just do anywhere sort of East London, nothing really too in central. Essex areas, anywhere sort of East Anglia, South East, anything like that. Nothing in Kent or nothing like that, or in central London. Just anything East London, Essex, surrounding areas. You know, I'll do any sort of metal collections, not just rivers. Any odd metal. Free collection.
Yep, there you go, guys. So hopefully we can try and start getting some of this stuff cleared up around here instead of it getting left behind.
That's it.
Anyway, that's it for now. Right, that's all we're doing today. We're basically getting cleaned up now and waiting for the police to go. Once we've done that, then we can go home. All cleaned up, pretty much. Police is still here.